Best motorcycle for beginners: Harley Davidson Iron 883. The allure of motorcycling, with its promise of freedom, adventure, and the open road, beckons to people from all walks of life. For beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can shape their entire riding journey. The Harley Davidson Iron 883, celebrated for its iconic style, accessible power, and beginner-friendly attributes, emerges as the ultimate cruiser for those embarking on their adventure in the world of two-wheeled exploration. With its unique character, legendary heritage, and rider-focused features, the Iron 883 provides an ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and cruiser riding without feeling overwhelmed. Timeless style and aesthetic appeal. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 exudes an iconic and timeless style that's synonymous with the Harley Davidson brand. Its dark and minimalist design, classic lines, and distinctive details capture the essence of cruiser culture, appealing to riders seeking a bike that's not just a mode of transportation but a statement of personal style. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Iron 883 lies a potent 883cc V-twin engine. This engine delivers a harmonious blend of power and approachability, providing satisfying performance while ensuring a manageable learning curve for beginners. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-focused layout. The Iron 883 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers an upright and comfortable riding position that ensures ease during long cruises and daily commutes. The well-contoured seat, mid-mounted footpegs, and wide handlebars contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble control. Despite its cruiser classification, the Harley Davidson Iron 883 offers surprisingly responsive handling and nimble control. Its compact size, balanced weight distribution, and low seat height make it easy for novice riders to confidently handle the bike in various riding conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is a top priority for beginner riders, and the Iron 883 often comes equipped with modern features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and rider confidence. These safety features provide peace of mind as novice riders learn to master the art of cruiser riding. Versatile riding experience. While the Iron 883 is known for its cruising capabilities, it's versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can comfortably use it for daily commutes, short trips, or leisurely weekend rides. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Harley Davidson brand and the cruiser lifestyle create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the cruiser culture and the Iron 883's iconic charm. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of cruiser riding. Customization options and personalization. The Iron 883 offers a wide range of customization options and aftermarket accessories, allowing riders to tailor the motorcycle to their individual tastes and preferences. Whether it's adding unique paint schemes, custom exhausts, or additional chrome accents, the Iron 883 can be personalized to stand out from the crowd. Heritage and legacy. Harley Davidson is more than just a motorcycle brand, it's a symbol of American motorcycling culture. Owning an Iron 883 represents a connection to a rich legacy that spans over a century, a legacy of freedom, self-expression, and the joy of riding on the open road. Conclusion. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 exemplifies the spirit of cruiser riding and Harley Davidson's commitment to providing an iconic motorcycle for beginners. With its timeless style, accessible power, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Iron 883 offers an immersive gateway to the world of cruiser riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing an Iron 883 as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for iconic style, freedom, and the joy of cruising on two wheels.